Hey guys, we're here again today at HardRacing doing our rigid series, What's Inside the Box. And today we are doing the Ignite, the rigid Ignite flush mount diffused backup lights. This is the Ignite series. These are offered in a flush mount or a surface mount. Today we're going to show you what the flush mounts come with. It's pretty simple. Basically it's just two lights. You get the little wires going through in the harness, but it is made to mount flush to a pocket, basically backup for like a trailer or a truck, roll bar, whatever, but they're made to mount where you have a cutout in your bar or in your trailer, and then these go into it flush, and then you get screws for each side, and that's it. And you get just bare wires coming out of the harness. So there are no brackets, again, because these are made for flush. They obviously, like we said earlier, they offer a surface mount. Those would come with a bracket, but the flush mounts do not. These are offered in a diffused, a spot, a flood diffused, and the wire leads on them are 48 inches. We are going to make more videos, as we've been doing already, of every rigid part number we can get our hands on to show you what's inside the box, so be sure to click subscribe below and the little bell icon next to it so you're notified when we make new videos. And if you enjoyed our video, please be sure to leave a comment below. We welcome all comments, positive or negative. We just want to hear your feedback. Let us know how we're doing. And if you're interested in ordering a set of rigid lights, be sure to send us an email. We have coupon codes for you to give you an extra discount. And obviously you can always get a hold of us through our website, email, or give us a call, and we'll get you taken care of. HardRacing.com.